Hi Gemini, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be for you guys for October 1st to the 15th. I will be looking at the current energies, and basis that I'll be looking at an outcome for you guys. So, if you've been watching my zodiac readings, you would know how I do these readings. So, and how do you know if this is resonating with you? Very simple. I look at the present situation. So, if the present situation is something that you can link yourself with, then pretty much the outcome will also resonate with you. So, let's see what's going on with you currently, Gemini. What's going on with you currently, Gemini? What's going on with you currently, Gemini? The Lord of Shadows. So, this is again death. Nine of Pentacles. And the Lovers. Interesting. One more, please. Ten of Cups. There's a change happening in you. You're falling in love with someone. You're feeling something for someone. This is all like family card that I'm seeing. You could be, as in, there's something definitely that you need to walk away from, which is there, but that's a huge change. Maybe you didn't expect this to happen, this love, this feeling, this emotions that are like rushing in you right now. You maybe did not expect this to happen. But it's happening. You are like dreaming also. I'm seeing that you really feel at home with someone. Um, you feel stable. It's a woman. I mean, it could be a woman, it could be a man, whoever you feel with. You just feel very stable when this person is around, even like materialistically, emotionally. So, how I put this is like earthy way and emotional way, both. All right. You feel very content with the way this thing is in your life. And you just feel that this is something that is very strong. This was unexpected for you. You didn't know that this could happen. All right. Now, if this resonates, now let me see what can you expect in the coming 15 days. What can you expect in the coming 15 days? What can you expect in the coming 15 days? 6 of Wands, 3 of Pentacles, 10 of Swords, 2 of Cups. This came out in Aquarius also. The answer is love. The answer is love. Here I'm seeing that you will work on this situation, but I think emotionally you're still trying to guard yourself a little bit, although you have feelings, you feel something for this person. So here it is. I see that there is a lot of talking, there's a lot of communication, meeting, making things work out, planning certain things. All of that is there here. I see a sense of stability coming in with this person that you have in your mind. See, there's lovers here, there's 2 of Cups here, there's 10 of Cups here, there is 4 of Wands here. It's all about stability. So, this person is the stability that you've been looking for, and this is going to become stronger and stronger with time. Okay? See, even though this situation is not very easy, but you will still work it out. That's what I'm seeing. It can be difficult from your side or from your person's side, I don't know. But still, I am seeing that both of you would want to make it work out. All right? And it's from both the sides. It's from both the sides. Both of you are like having your own struggles, but you're still doing it. You're still kind of, taking things ahead. That's what I'm seeing. Now, let me see what is the advice for you here. What's the advice for you here? Thorns. Weave together the crown you deserve. I really like how this deck has a very, something very opposite written as the highlight of the card, and then the message is very different. So basically, the point is that you're being advised to weave this crown, even though it has thorns. I hope you get what I'm saying. So it's basically that it's not going to be easy. It never was, it never is, it never will be. Okay? But you're being asked to do it because that is what you've been seeking in your life. Let me pick one more card from here. See, I told you. Nostalgia. Focus on here and now. Nostalgia is dreaming of the past, and you're being asked to focus on here and now. So here you are. Live the moment with this person. Okay? Because I think one of you just keeps thinking of what's going to happen or what happened in the past and what is going to happen in the future. And one of you, I don't know. The advice here is that just be in the moment, and you see how beautiful things are, how nicely things are weaving for you both. Okay? That is what I'm seeing. Beautiful reading, Gemini. Let me know in the comments. Also, guys, private readings are open, so you can reach out to me and let me know. I love reading your comments. Take care. Bye.